get the result on the test using the Microsoft Excel. So this data is from my professor in Masterel Education. So I have here the two tables, and to get the result is just the first step that we will do is just click the data and then data analysis and find the word t-test. T-test paired to sample for means, and then click the OK button. And there is a variable 1 here and variable 2 that we need to fill out, or we need to click the first box, and then here in the Microsoft Excel, just click the pretest until the end of it. Just ayun. Next is variable 2. Click the box, and just like what we did in the pretest, pick the second column until the end. Next is click the labels and click OK button, and then you have it. We have the t-test paired to sample performance. This is the result. So how to interpret this data? So for example, here is the table, but our professor provided us a table in a Microsoft Word para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Ito na siya. So you can see the mean of the pretest is 81.03. Let us check. Mean 81.03, tama. And then sa post-test naman, 87.42. Ayan, so tama siya, no? Ito na yung kanyang interpretation. So, merong another table dito, which is the score and the mean score. So, pretest, ito yung pretest, di ba? Ito yung score ng pretest, 81.0357. Ayan. So, bakit naging 04 siya? Kasi, 5, di ba? Kapag 5 is magiging 4, 5 pataas, magiging 4 na siya nun, di ba po? Ayan. So, Table 1, the title of the Table 1 is The Difference in the Statistics Performance of TAU Students During Pre-Test and Post-Test. Kasi, ito yung question. Test whether the intervention conducted. Ayan yung question dito sa ating Excel bago natin kinuha yung result niya. And then, ayan. T computed value is 8.12. Dito natin nakuha yung T computed value. 8.11, so 19, which means gagawin natin siyang 12. Ayan. T critical value, 2.5. Ito yung T critical value. And lastly, the probability value. So this is important. The T computed value, T critical value, and the probability value. These are the important in the table kasi we will use that in our interpretation. So, ito na yung interpretation. Table 1 shows that there is a high significant difference in the statistic performance of TAU students during their pre-test and post-test. Since the T computed value, ito yung T computed value, is greater than the T critical value, which is 2.05. Mas mataas yung T computed value compared dun sa T critical value. And the probability value is less than 0.01. So, ito yung critical value, less than 0.01 siya. By the way, as you can see here, ito yung probability value. 1.016. Ito. Diba? Kapag kinonvert natin to, magiging 0.0008. Diba? 8 to. 8 minus 1 is 7. That's why 7 yung 0 dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then, copy lang to. Wala na yung decimal point doon. 10, 16. Ayun. less than 0.01. That's why less than 0.01 yung probability value niya. So this implies that the intervention made by the teacher is very effective. So, kapag less than 0.01, yung ilalagay dito is high significant. Kapag naman 0.05 or less than 0.05, significant difference lang siya nun. Pero kapag 5 and above na siya, which means no significant difference na siya nun. So that's all. I think you learned something today. Thank you.